Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen Appliance Bundles. Today, we're diving into the world of cooking made easy with the CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus Rotisserie. Whether you love crispy fries, perfectly roasted chicken, or healthier meals with less oil, this air fryer might be your next best kitchen gadget. This isn't your typical air fryer, it's a 7-in-1 multifunctional device that includes air frying, roasting, dehydrating, baking, and even a rotisserie function. It's designed for people who want versatility in the kitchen without sacrificing quality or flavor. With a sleek digital display, preset cooking options, and a large 6.3-quart capacity, this machine is perfect for families or anyone who loves meal prepping. Plus, it uses rapid air technology to cook your food evenly with up to 98% less oil. Let's unbox this. Inside the box, you'll find the main air fryer unit, a rotisserie spit, forks, mesh baskets, and a drip tray. Setting it up is super easy, just plug it in and you're ready to go. What sets the CHEFMAN apart from other air fryers is its versatility. You could air fry for that crispy texture, use the rotisserie for perfectly roasted chicken, or even dehydrate fruits for healthy snacks. The temperature range of 90 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit lets you cook anything from delicate veggies to hearty meats. Plus, it's BPA-free, so you can cook safely without worrying about harmful chemicals. And did I mention it's easy to clean? The accessories are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Alright, now let's put this air fryer to the test. I'm going to show you how easy it is to cook a full rotisserie chicken and some crispy fries at the same time. We'll start by preheating the air fryer using one of the 8 preset cooking options. With the preset timer and temperature controls, I don't have to babysit the food, it's all automatic. After 40 minutes, the chicken is golden and juicy, and the fries are perfectly crispy. What I really love about the CHEFMAN Multifunctional Air Fryer is how much time it saves in the kitchen. Whether you're a busy parent or someone who just loves good food, this air fryer does it all. And because it uses little to no oil, you're making healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. So, if you're looking for an easy way to make healthier meals without all the extra oil and effort, the CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus Rotisserie is a must-have. It's versatile, user-friendly, and delivers delicious results every time. If you're interested in getting one, check the link in the description for the best deals. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking. Until next time, this is Afzal from Kitchen Appliance Bundles. See you in the next video.